Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys, and today we have some goodies from Aliexpress, other goodies from Shein, and then we have some goodies from Amazon as well. So here we're starting off with these beautiful box of foils, and these are all Dior foils, and I thought they were super pretty. I love the color, I love the pastels, and I also like how they included black as well. So here I'm just gonna briefly show you all the colors, and I hope you guys like that look that I created beforehand off camera. I just wanted to test these out, and I thought it was a really pretty look, and it's also available on my Etsy shop if you're interested. So yeah, here I'm just showing you these really pretty foils that I picked out. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. If for any reason things are not linked down below, especially when it comes to AliExpress, is due to the fact that the seller no longer exists. But hopefully everything will be linked down below for you guys. I did receive these foils a week ago, so they should still be up. I was so excited to share it with you guys because they're so pretty, and I know Dior is really trendy right now, and I just wanted to have these foils in particular added onto my foil collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed, and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. And don't forget to comment down below what were your favorite items in today's video, or particular item if you have one in particular that you really enjoyed. So thank you guys so much once again for tuning in, and I hope you all enjoy. This upcoming foil box, I absolutely fell in love with it. It's definitely my all-time favorite foil box as of now in my collection. It is so nice, and I think this is one of the new foils that recently came out, because I saw this foil box on Amazon, not on Amazon but on Instagram, so I rushed to AliExpress to come and try to find it for a cheaper price, which I did. And I just fell in love with these foils because the prints are just so stunning, and the amount of things that you guys can do with these is literally endless. So I'm so excited to see what I come up with. I'm definitely going to be doing some sets on me with these foils because they are so beautiful, absolutely amazing. Like, these are my all-time favorite foils. Like, I love each and every one of them. You guys will see here how beautiful they are, and I definitely recommend, if you're able to get your hands on these, to definitely do so. And they're very affordable, like $4 or $5 through Ali, and they're just so pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and purchase maybe one more box of these in particular, just to always have and not run out. But yeah, I absolutely love these. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about these foils. I thought they were amazing. I literally fell in love with them. I thought they were so cute, so pretty, and I had never seen something like this before, but I had seen it on Instagram like I mentioned earlier, so I do believe this might be a new type of print of foils or something like that. I don't even know if they update foils like in creating new ones or not, but yeah, I definitely love these. I thought they were so amazing. So I hope you guys are enjoying this nail haul so far, because I did try to include as much goodies as I could, and also fun things that you guys would like to see. I thought this one in particular was so beautiful, especially for summer. It has the palm trees, really pretty. I absolutely loved this one. So yeah, these are all the foils. I loved each and every one of them, including that tie-dye one. So pretty. I cannot wait to see what I come up with. So next we're moving on to the complete game changer, and here in the screen I'm posting a picture. This is a blooming gel that you apply first, and then you apply the gel polishes and you create marble nails with this, and that's what I'm using it for in particular, and I absolutely loved the way that it turned out. It's definitely a game changer. Like, wow, the things that I'm about to come up with that particular blooming gel is something that I cannot wait to do. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys get that if you haven't already. I don't know why it took me this long, literally a year, to come across that, because it's definitely a game changer and it's so much easier to do marble with that. So I definitely love it, and that one was Amazon's, I think that was Amazon's choice, and it worked phenomenally. Absolutely loved it. So here next we're moving on to these stickers, and it just brings some English letters in white and black, along with some other type of stickers that you guys will see here. These are all white with some red, and then the other ones are all black. So next here we're moving on to these water decals, and it's just like a random pile of different things. We have some cute little cactuses here, then we have some not watercolor, but like the dried flowers in that type of form. We have some other really pretty stickers. You know what, I think these are stickers actually. I don't think they are decals, but let me double check. Okay, these are actually nail stickers. They're not water decals, but I just thought they were so pretty, especially these type of little flowers like that. I absolutely love those. So this brings 16 stickers in total, but they are all the same exact thing, which actually thought was great, because you could just never go wrong with having butterflies, you know, for different sets. You could always switch it around, and it also had plants and lettering, so I said why not. I think that was like $3, so I couldn't pass that up. So next we have some stickers from Shein, and here I'm just showing you whatever I picked out of the box. So these I thought were really pretty, and they have that really cute like caviar trimming, like if it had like those little caviar beads. That was really cute and neat. And then next we're moving on to more of those animal print butterflies that Shein offers. And by the way, I definitely always recommend people to check out Shein, Amazon, or Aliexpress. I recommend Shein if you love Aliexpress but don't want to wait as long. If you pay the expedited shipping, it will come within a couple of days, and if you pay just regular shipping, like free shipping, it'll take up to 2 weeks, but it usually comes sooner than that. And they absolutely have everything, and they're always changing everything up, like always adding things. I mean, they always have new things on there. So I recently made an order a couple of days ago, so I'm waiting on a Shein order, I'm waiting on a Daily Charm order, and I think that's about it for now. I do plan to do an Nail Couture order soon. I've been wanting to just go crazy with Nail Couture and order all the nails that are available, or the majority of them, all his new stuff. I need to get on my game and check out the store. I've just been so obsessed with charms, but I definitely have to check out Nail Couture, because he has some really nice things on his site, and I love the shipping is super fast. Like last time I ordered from Nail Couture, it literally arrived in 2 days. So next we're moving on to these type of stickers, and they're all butterflies, and they're all holographic in different colors, and I thought that was so neat. And I finally came across the butterfly ones, because those were the ones that I really wanted. Usually they have the flame ones, which I did not want because I already have. So I was really happy to come across these, and you get a total of 16 sheets. And I will go ahead and grab a swatch stick and just show you guys what they look like. Very pretty, very hollow, very nice. You guys will see here. And yeah, let me know what you guys liked in today's nail art haul. I really liked a lot of the items that I showed, by the way. I thought they were really nice, and I thought you guys would like them as well. And I really loved the variation of colors. I loved how every single sheet was different. There was no repeats, so I really appreciated that. With these stickers, you got to be a little bit careful, because they're very thin, so they're easily able, like you could easily ruin them, so just be very careful. I actually recommend you use tweezers for these. So yeah, here is what they look like. I thought they were so pretty, very beautiful. Absolutely loved it, but you guys couldn't really see that well because I couldn't really see it that well, so I went ahead and just grabbed some polish. By the way, this brand Emily is amazing. Like, they have really great polishes. I purchased them on Amazon. These are gel polishes. They are so good. So next we're moving on to this huge stack of stickers, and this brings a total of 16 sheets, and they're all different. I will be showing you how big the sheet is, but this was an amazing deal. I believe this was $3.99, and you get all these stickers. So when it comes to stickers, I really recommend Amazon just because you're able to find multiple packs of different stickers for a really good price, like $3, $4, $5, $6, up to $7 if it brings like 12 sheets, as opposed to paying $1 all the way to $5 per sheet of stickers. So when it comes to Amazon, I'm gonna stick to Amazon unless I see a print that I really like, because I mean, if I could pay $3 to $4 for all these stickers, why would I pay up to $5 individually just for one? So that is just what I prefer, and we'll start doing more often, which I have. So I'm really happy about that because I actually recently discovered it, maybe like 2 weeks ago at most, or a week and a half ago, and I started incorporating a lot in my hauls to show you guys as well. And these prints are really pretty, and you just can never have enough of anything, I feel like. You know what I mean? Like, when it comes to nail art, you just can't have enough. Literally, I have no space. I know I keep saying that I'm gonna do a desk tour, like a workspace where I film my videos and all that, but it's like I literally have so much things that I don't even know where to begin, and I do want to film that for you guys and show you how I organize everything. It's just so overwhelming because if you guys only saw like the piles of stuff, it's just out of control, honestly, because I don't even have the drawer. Like, yeah, I purchased furniture like drawers and stuff, but it's not even enough, you know. And the reason why I'm not going to continue to purchase more drawers is just because when I move eventually, I don't want it to be so hectic with so many drawers, because these Alex drawers are very heavy, and I just don't want that to be, you know, a hassle in the near future. So yeah, but these charms were absolutely stunning. They were $6.99 for 10. You get some silver and some gold, but I just had to get these are so cute, and I've been wanting some charms like this, so I was so happy to come across them on Amazon, and I just didn't want to wait. Honestly, I could have gotten them for cheaper on Ali, I know, but I just didn't feel like waiting. So here next we have these really pretty flowers with caviar beads, so you can do a lot with these however you desire. I got different colors, and I purchased these through Aliexpress, I believe, for $1 and some cents, and I did purchase some of these through Shein as well, but they only had them in white with like silver gold caviar beads or rose gold, so I definitely wanted the different colors, and this came super quick. I don't even think this took more than 2 weeks to get here. And I got these really beautiful female slices. I thought they were so cute. They're like happy face flowers, and I thought they were super cute, so I had to get them. So yeah, that was that. Next we're moving on to these black rhinestones, and I think I purchased this through Amazon. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think I really had black rhinestones like that, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on those. And it also comes with a waxing pencil. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but that is that. And next we're moving on to the stamping plate, and this is an Easter stamping plate. I don't really have that many things that are Easter related, so I definitely wanted to add more to that part of my collection. And here we have the cutest little things for Easter, and this was only $1 through not through Ali, but through Shein, so very affordable. And then lastly here I have these paper decorations that I always tend to show. I purchased these through Shein a long time ago, but I never showed them because they were still in the box. And we're coming to an end of today's nail art haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I am very, very grateful for everyone and for all the love and support. So thank you guys once again. Till next time.